today we're going to be featuring all about how to make your base mixes, and this comes out of our newest launch, the Micro Bake Magic Cookbook. You can get it on Amazon. It is amazing. There are cakes, there's cookies, there's brownies, Rice Krispie treats, all the good stuff,
yeah,
right?
We're going to teach you how to make this.
Yes. Okay, so in here you learn about how to make your own personal from scratch base mix, or you can do it from a box. Whichever you prefer, no right or wrong way. But we want to make it super duper easy because the Micro Bake Magic is all about doing those fast recipes in the microwave, right?
And this is all the recipe you need.
Yes, this is all 4 ingredients that we're going to do to make this.
Tell them.
The first thing you're going to need is to get some mixing bowls. We're just using these super inexpensive Tupperware bowls. We're going to mix it in here, and we're going to sift our ingredients back and forth because we want to make sure.
You also need to wash your hands.
Yes, always wash your hands before you get started, right?
Yeah.
Very good tip.
Because you don't want bacteria on your stuff, and then you get sick.
Yeah, we don't want bacteria in our stuff and to get sick. That's a valid point. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start with the smaller one right here. And Hollis is our Hasty Tasty Chef today, right? He's going to be mixing this up. So I'm going to put this.
Let's tell them what
with our ingredients. Absolutely. So here, Hollis, let's put that there. And let's start with this.
Okay.
This is all-purpose flour.
Yes. Put the whole thing?
A whole thing in it. So this is 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, the next thing we're going to get is sugar. It's sugar. So you need 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, we're going to add in some salt. And you just need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and just dump it right on in. Easy peasy. You go ahead and do this one time, and that way you will have 10 different individual base mixes when we finish up, which is amazing. This is baking powder, so you're going to put that in, and it's 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're just going to make sure we get all of that in right there where it was sticking. So just take a little spatula if you need to.
Yeah, you can get a big one or a small.
A big one or a small one.
You can use anything, a spatula or anything else.
Or a spoon, anything, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to start just mixing this together. Really good. So we're just mixing the flour, the sugar, the salt, and the baking powder. Now, to make sure and ensure that all of our pre-packaged cake mixes, when we do it, are evenly distributed, we're going to sift ours just to be on the safe side.
Take a scoop.
Yeah.
And
you just put it right over this.
And then we just.
Yeah. Can you? Yep. You want mommy to help you? And just bump it. You can just bump it like that, okay? I'm gonna put it in front of you. There you go. So it's a little bit easier for you to do. And I'll even help you out and just scoop some into this for you. So just stay where you are and I'll come help you. Got it? There you go. There you go. And we're just sifting away. You might get a little on your hands, totally fine. I'm gonna add a little more in, keep sifting just like you are. This just ensures that everything is evenly distributed and mixed together. Guys, this is so easy, so fast, and you're gonna have cake mix from scratch. And we're gonna show you, just keep sticking around, we're gonna show you how to package these and make it into a fun activity for your family, right?
This is so hard.
Are you getting the arm workout? Woo! Do you need a water break? Try to keep it inside. Just know there may be some.
I guys spilled some.
It's okay. All right, I'm going to pour the last of it in right there.
Just dump it.
All right, and just, you got it sifted out? All right, and if you want to make it extra mixed and make sure everything is good, you can just take and sift it through a second time. This is where the fun, creative part comes into play.
And then we're also going to cook something.
Yes. If you go to freetopper.com and you put in the coupon code YouTube, you can get these printables for free. We're going to show you.
And also subscribe and ring the bell.
Oh yeah, definitely subscribe and ring that bell. We want to see you around here hanging out with us, don't we?
5 stars.
5 stars. Yeah, especially if they come visit our bakery, right? And we're cooking for them. Ziploc bags. And when you do the from scratch one, would you like to hold it for me? Thank you. It's going to take about 5 tablespoons. So you're gonna just evenly divide this between the bags. So here we go. This is also a great opportunity to do some counting with your little ones, different things like that. So it can be educational as well as fun.
Nothing new with your little one. This is 1 year old or 3 years old.
That's right. When you're helping teach them, right? 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So you can just do math.
Like my mom helps me.
That's right. So 2 plus 1 is
3.
3. So you can just turn it into something fun. 3 plus 1 is?
It's 4.
And 4 plus 1 is?
5.
All right. Now close it up.
I got this.
You got it. And just right along that Ziploc edge. All right. There we go. He has got it all sealed up. Guys, now that we have all of our individual base mixes prepared, we're going to turn this into a super fun activity, right?
Yeah, that's
so,
right.
All you have to do is go to freetopper.com and put in the code YouTube, and you can get these printables for free, okay?
Yeah, but
so,
let's show you.
You want to show? We've got one already colored.
Yeah.
And this has our sweet sister's name on it, and then I want to show you something really unique. Hold on just a moment. So they get to color these, and on the back, this is a very key and important part. It says this package contains, and then you get to fill it in. So today we made base mixes for cakes from scratch. So that's what this says on it. In our cookbook here, in the Microbake Magic, there are box cake mixes you can use. There are also scratch mixes for cookies and brownies, things of that nature. So you definitely want to make sure that you are labeling this if it's a cake, a cookie, brownie, and so forth. And if it's from box or scratch, that will help you out in the long run, okay? Different options. Yeah. When you go to freetopper.com, you can select from option A, which is gonna have mermaids, unicorns, fairies. Like this one is our cake fairy. This is all included in option A. If you choose option B, you will get dinosaurs, spacecrafts, pirates, all the fun things like that, okay? So Hollis here has a dinosaur one he's playing with. They will print out like this, and you just cut along the dotted lines. Once you do that, let's show them this really quick before you bend it up. Once you do that, you'll see it looks like it's upside down, and that's because you're gonna color it and you're gonna write what's in here so that when you fold it, you can see it on both sides.
Now I'm going to do this.
You fold that one, and Mommy's gonna show them how to staple one. Lining your Ziploc bag in there and just taking a stapler to it, okay?
Yep, right there.
So we have a stapler and just stapling the edges, just like this, and then there you have it. Super cute. They've colored, they've made their own from scratch cake mixes. What we like to do with ours is take multiples, just gather them together, put them in a container in our pantry, and then whenever the kids are ready to do their Microbake Magic and make some delicious goodies, we just grab it right out of the pantry and put it in. These individual base mixes go hand in hand with all of our recipes in the Microbake Magic. So if you want to make any kind of cakes, and let me just show you, this is a little sneak peek on this. Right here it is. All the cakes. We've got, what, chocolate, red velvet, rainbow, so many good ones.
So many good ones too.
Here you, my little parrot. So many good ones. They're delicious, and all of them are based off of these cake mixes, okay? All right, guys, so that is it from us today. If you want to grab this, where can they grab it at?
Hasty Tasty Chef.
Hasty Tasty Chef. Our Microbake Magic Cookbook is available on Amazon. And again, the free Amazon.com. And the free printables are at freetopper.com. Just select A or B for your selections. And we will see you guys next time. Be sure to what?
Click subscribe and ring the bell.
That's right. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and we will see you guys later. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.